I think I know most of these, like afritada, pancit, of course, langka, okay, batong, bolanao. No, what is this one? Mangsi, okay. And then bulad. Ginaling, okay. Pusit. What's up, guys? Today we're in Cebu City. We're doing the Visita de Iglesia. I think that's the visitation of churches. You're supposed to go to 7 churches on Easter week. So it's Good Friday, and we're here 7 a.m. We're at our second church right now when I'm filming this at Basilica de Santo Niño. I'll give you a little tour around. This is the Magellan's Cross here. Nice little park area. There's some sort of government building across the street, but I'm not sure what that is. There's also the big downtown park is here. So I'm not sure how interesting it is to look at churches for a long time. So what I'm going to do is take clips of all of the churches and then try to cut them together, and we'll see what that looks like at the end. So hopefully it's interesting to watch. Anyway, we'll see you later, guys. Bye. Should have taken this before, for sure. Yeah. This food?
You want like this? How would you like this better?
Huh? It smells good. It's like uka.
Cheese for
dozen cups for some reason. I think I know most of these, like afritada,
Yeah.
pancit, of course, lanka, okay,
Here's such a good thing.
batong,
Yeah, batong.
bolanao. No, what is this one?
Mangsi.
Magsa, okay. And then
Bulat gihapon.
Bulad.
Still
Bulad. Bulad. Ginaling. Okay. Pusit.
Pusi.
Just adobo? What is this?
Chicken liver, atay.
Oh, atay. Okay.
Atay sa manok. What do you want?
I'll do. How much is the lanka?
30.
I'll do that. And batong. And the eggs look really good too.
You like batong?
Oh yeah, you gotta eat your vegetables. What is this one here? Is that baboy?
Baboy. Mascara na siya. Mascara.
Mascara. Yeah, the face. Yeah. It all looks really good actually. You made all this yourself?
Ikaw nagluto nito? Kanan daw. Suon mo.
What do you want?
Fish.
Just fish.
And paksil na bangus. Yung paksil na bangus. You like paksil na bangus?
I want to do.
Egg, ma'am? Isa ka egg.
I want the egg.
Ang isa, ano? Chorizo de Cebu.
Beautiful.
Asa dahil yung sa Cebu mo may kabisaya.
Siya ang taga Cebu, taga Davao.
Siya ang taga.
2 years na siya dire. Ay, kata na lang po si Tete. Ayaw na lang yung bangus.
Nag-vacation na mo dire, ma'am.
Siya, dili na siya nagpuyo. Ako lang ang nagbakasyon. Baliktad.
Is the egg for you?
For you.
Okay.
You can share.
I'm trying to think.
Bisaya pa rin.
Can I do the baboy as well? I'll try that. The mascara. Hollywood.
Welcome to Cebu dahil, ma'am.
Yan eh.
Kasi si Sir, taga Cebu naman.
Local na siya dire. Local. Dili na di mailad.
Hindi siya mailad. Kamo na siya mag-Bisaya. Fluent na mag-Bisaya.
Okay. You ready to eat? Okay.
Are you gonna sit like that?
Egypt sa padulong, ano na lang padulong.
Let's give it a try.
Then Mandawi.
Natay di malabya dito sa Mandawi di ay.
Isang hospan.
Oh wow. It's so soft.
Ano siya ipapalis sa
Some jackfruit.
Santo Niño, din mag-titira mo.
Spicy.
San Jose, Santo Rosario.
Very spicy.
Magkuhan.
It's good.
Sa may manggo gani.
Ang kaldo ba? Ang ako lang doon.
Pero mag-jeep na mo.
Okay lang.
Amo to yung
Hindi mo ko nakaigo sa jeep.
sa Kapitol. Ano to, puti nga bus.
Oo.
Ay, puti nga bus.
Jumingaw mo. Ako pula.
Ngayon ka?
Oh.
Kuha?
Pula.
Ali sir, kaon mo? Nakainit sa bawo. Oh, ato lang na i-plastic.
Ay, nalimaan din mo sila. Lamig, congrats me. Ano na, kadabog pa.
Ato na.
It's good. It's spicy. Yeah. It's really good though.
Halang.
Ah,
Ganon siya.
Something spicy, this one.
the langka.
Langka.
It's good though. I like spicy.
Yeah, to enhance taste.
Uh huh. What kind of chili did you use? The labuyo, haba. What chili?
Green chili.
Green chili. Okay. Delicious. Hey, buddy. He belongs to.
What's that?
That's the Fort San Pedro. Uh-huh. Well.
Iyang sarap.
Or the faults that